Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you fake Facebook targeting feature that was removed. Okay, so what we need to do is you search up your location. So Florida. So whatever location you're in, you search it up and you input it. Let's go with Pensacola, Florida. All right. So what you need to do to fix this issue, to get your business into the face of people that need to buy your business, like people that are around your surroundings, in your location. So what you need to do is add exclusions. Okay, click on add exclusions. Exclusions that you're gonna add is you're gonna add states, every state around Florida, or every state that you don't want your ads to be viewed in is what you're gonna do. Okay, you're gonna add every state that you don't want. You're gonna add it to the exclusion list. This is the fix. So once you add all the exclusions, let me add some. So once you're done with the location targeting, once you've excluded the locations you can't do business in, so the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna include location. So you're gonna include all the locations you want your business to be seen in Florida. Okay, Marima, Pensacola. You're gonna include all these locations. Okay, you're gonna include all these locations once you excluded those ones, and once you're done with this, you're gonna save. Okay, or click next and you can go to your next page. Okay, so if you gain something from this video, test it out and get back to me. Whatever you don't understand in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.